Hello and welcome to today's video for SSC CGL time management tips. So since the exams are going to start from 5th August, you need to now prepare very smartly and keep a few time management tips in your mind so that you can beat time when you're actually taking your SSC CGL 2017 Tier 1 exam.
So the examinations are very near. The examinations are from 5th August to 24th August. So not a lot of time is left, and the admit cards are also out. And before we talk about the time management tips, I would like to tell you that we'll be covering some topics such as the order of attempt for SSC examination, as well as we'll be talking about your sectional distribution of time for each subject. Along with that, we have some 2 important tips that you need to follow for your time management.
Okay, so let's start with the order of attempt. So order of attempt is the order in which you should attempt each and every section. So since you can't switch between sections and there is no sectional time limit, you need to sketch out a sectional time limit for yourself. So ideally you should give 15 minutes to English and general awareness. If you are very confident about general awareness, begin with general awareness. If you are very confident about English, then you should start your exam with English section. But make sure that English and GA are completed within 15 minutes, and you should not give more time to English and general awareness than that. In the end, you should do the quant section. The quant section in the end, because you will get carried away. It's a natural tendency that when you're solving a question, it is very calculative. You will not give up in the middle, and then you will spend all the time you have on those questions that fall under quants. So therefore, make sure that you attempt quants in the end and English and general awareness in the beginning. So naturally, reasoning should be a third priority, and you should finish reasoning within 15 minutes, not more than that, because there are not going to be very lengthy questions or too lengthy puzzles. So you can do reasoning third, and the last should be quant.
Yeah, so now that we know about the order of attempt as well as the sectional time management for each section in your examination, the one of the most important mottos for the examination for you would be that solve or skip. Now, what do we mean by solve or skip is, if you know the answer very confidently, then you should solve it right away. But if you are a slight bit confused about the answer, then it is it is a good option that you skip the answer and do it later on. You have an option of marking the question for review. So once you finish all your questions that you know confidently, you have some time left. You can come back to the questions and then solve it, so that you don't waste your time thinking about the questions that you don't know of. So this is the very important motto that you need to keep in mind, is solve or skip.
Well, finally, you should also know that practice makes a man confident. So the more you practice, the more confident you are going to be. But when we say practice, we do not mean that just keep practicing without giving much time to think of a strategy. You should definitely follow the time management strategy that we have just discussed. So in the run up to the exam, you will definitely be solving a lot of tests. So whichever test you attempt, make sure you follow this strategy and follow this order of attempt and practice accordingly. Also, we'd like to tell you that if you want to know the subtopic wise time distribution, you can go to the link in the description for the article, which has time distribution for not just every section but every subtopic. So you should know कि quant में mensuration को ज़्यादा time देना है या trigonometry को ज़्यादा time देना है. Similarly for other sections also. So these are all the time management tips that you need to keep in mind.
Yeah, so we hope that you'll be following these time management tips in your actual examination. And thanks for watching. And do not forget that we conduct a free test Friday every Friday at 7 p.m. So do visit us every Friday at 7 p.m. We give out free test series every week. So do follow us on that and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications. Thanks for watching and all the best.
All the best.